leaving the ghost town of Last Chance, Placer County, California. Still searching for the graveyard, which we have not been able to locate.
If you're doing that, you're not gonna be able to really hunt for the graveyard though.
Oh, I just go like this. Oh yeah, this is good. I wish I could just prop this thing up somewhere.
Probably could get like a little mount or something, you know, and do it.
That came with a mount. I got a mount in there
A
actually.
sticky mount, like you stick it up on something like right here.
There's those damn cows.
Yeah. Yeah, for a while I was kind of walking by and see if I could pet one, but yeah. Oh, there's one. Just hanging out, chilling. Oh, there are one over there too. Yeah. There's Mr. Mrs. Moo right there.
Cute little things.
Yeah. Come on, dude, move.
Good eating when you make hamburgers out of them.
Yeah. They're cute.
Oh, he's on video. You're on video, bro.
They're cute but tasty, huh? Yeah, Cal.
You're on video, homie.
What are you doing?
He just, dude, if he can't figure out that he needs like.
You can see, look at there's something like this over here.
Want to look or?
No, because it's just in the forest. Like, dude, Jesus Christ, cows. Yeah, pull off the side. Okay, well.
Jesus Christ, we're not trying to herd you, dude. Go with the rest of your homies.
Yeah. We're going slow enough for
This
you.
freaking cow, this cow's clueless.
Yeah.
Or is that a male? Or, no, it's a female.
I don't know.
Oh, it's got something hanging.
Yeah, who knows? It's not the smartest cow in the bunch, I guess. I'm
Definitely.
just trying to keep an eyeball up that way.
Yeah, the Last Chance Cemetery, man, that's on the hit list now, man.
Yeah,
It fooled us once.
Yeah,
It
we're
ain't
fine.
gonna get us twice.
yeah.
Just the problem is if I don't actually have an accurate location, those coordinates were off. I don't know where to start really in all this.
Just find the town.
crap.
You kind of look at the town and see what we looked at. We could work it that way. You know? And by what that thing showed, it was pretty fucking. There's a lot of shit. Like that picture you showed me.
Yeah, and it seems like somebody drove up here off the road and just seen it.
I think we went this way, huh?
Yeah, this one.
Peace.
What is it? I wonder if this is like marking.
Yeah, someone's spray painting something. I don't think it'd be this far from the town. Never looked at it before.
I don't know.
Yeah, or some came in at the dozer, fucking dug them all up, you know, got rid of them.
Could be, but that's probably doubtful. It's there. It's just people try to keep it the location a secret. I can understand that, but guys like us that just want to film it, we're not there to rob nothing. You know what I mean?
Get out of it on a different way.
Who knows?
Yeah,
It kicked our asses trip.
it's not over.
It's a nice enough place to go to. It's pleasant in here, the trees. It's definitely foresty. Yeah, I don't know how much of this I'm going to film. This is going to get boring. We're on the historic Western States Trail. Right there.
God damn, all that wood actually looks like fucking headstones too sometimes, you know?
tripping and falling.
Well, if you went to one of those other trees.
Great last chance GFE scale.
Yeah, from the camp it's pretty remote. But on the main road, you get a few cars. I mean, out this way, it's kind of like fucking high, 8 or 9 on the main road. But once you get from the main road, or to the main road, I should say, you got a few cars coming up every so often. They got the campground about a mile down, so it's not too bad. A good 6 or 7.
Road condition. I'd give it
Pretty
about
nice,
an
huh?
8,
Oh, yeah.
8 or 9
One of
actually.
the nicest roads. One of the nicest roads we've been. One of the nicest roads we've been on.
Accessibility to find it.
Easy. I think if you have like a little Subaru, you can make it up there no problem. You won't worry about getting rock chips.
Yeah, we took that 98 crossover. You saw the pictures.
I figure most people probably come up here with like a little Subaru having the all-wheel drive thing now.
All right, probably gonna stop this here. That's us signing out.